Today I'm going to show you how to use degrees of emotion. When you first open the application, you'll see a page that looks like this. To start the session off, click anywhere in this left-hand pane. Now the first thing that you're going to be doing is to choose a model that you and your client can relate to. You can choose from either adults or children, and for the purposes of today's demonstration, I've chosen an adult male. So just click on the photo to select him. The next thing that you'll want to talk about is how your client is feeling right now. So you can pick from anywhere on the emotion menu. Today, our client is feeling a bit fearful. The next step is to choose the intensity of the emotion that he's feeling from the pictures down the side. And he's selected this one here. Next, we find a word to describe how he's feeling. And in this case, he's selected uneasy. To get rid of the menus, just click anywhere back in the blue pane again. Now you can repeat that process over here. This is the pane that will describe how he wants to be feeling. So click anywhere in the blue area to choose the next emotion. How he'd like to be feeling is happy, and once again we can select the intensity. Now in this particular case, the word that describes how he wants to feel isn't in the list, so it can just be typed in here. And that word will now be added to his session. Once again, just click in the blue pane to get rid of the menus. You will now have your discussions about how to get from being uneasy to feeling safe and what strategies you can put into place. These strategies, or any goals or actions that relate to the session, can be entered in here. These notes will be saved for the session and can also be printed out to be taken away. Another useful tool is the ability here to make the pictures larger or smaller. Once again, this can just be used to demonstrate the impact of this particular emotion in the situation that you're talking about. There's some other handy tools here. You can make your own private notes about the session here as well. So I've made some notes now for the sorts of things that I'd like to talk about with Fred in his next session. You can save the session, and then next time he comes back in, use this option here to select a previously saved session. And when you open that, all of the actions and goals from his last session will still be there. Thanks very much.